Good afternoon to all the panelists, members from Markets Pro, Kaustubh, Deepak. I again would like to welcome our panelists, Dolly ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, and Mr. Anu. Thank you for joining us as panelists today. I'm sure that your presence and your inputs are going to be of utmost importance and benefit to our students. As a keynote, I would like to throw light on the topic which we have come up today with, challenges and opportunities in the ever-changing world for MBA graduates. Now, till now, I mean, since 3 months, everyone of us are, aware of what type of challenges can, just come up anytime, and we should be ready for such challenges. COVID-19 has taught us a very important lesson that challenges never intimate you before they come up. So, to my students who are there, I would like to, tell them that this is a learning phase. You can always learn through certifications, through institutions, through webinars. But this is a live lesson. We are learning every day in and out. Now, throwing a light upon the topic, we are aware of what challenges are, how they put us in a problematic situation. I hope that this webinar is going to focus more on the opportunities part of the title, because we have been hearing a lot, listening to the people talking about COVID-19 and challenges. I am sure that at the end of this webinar, my students should be very, very positive and very, very confident that any challenges like COVID, they would be able to face it very, very positively with the help of the efforts and the webinars being conducted by our institute, efforts being taken by our faculty members, and suggestions given by our faculty members and the team of HNIMR to face such challenges. I would like to throw light upon the fact that many of the big companies like Google, Yahoo, IBM, they have been founded and they were successful during the recession period and in the period of financial crisis. So I would like to tell my students that they should take this webinar as an opportunity to explore the positive aspect of the situation which we are facing right now. Like Kaustubh rightly said, that skilling up yourself, taking up certification, sitting down in your, at your home and thinking about what can be done during this period of lockdown and how can I utilize it to make my future a bright one. We have been training our students for entrepreneurship also. We always focus, we MBA graduates and students, we always focus on good placements. But this is a right time to think about entrepreneurship. And Mr. Deepak being an entrepreneur himself, I just heard the introduction. I think Mr. Deepak is going to motivate and set an example in front of our students so that they positively think about entrepreneurship as a career option for themselves. Now, this webinar is going to help our students a lot, but I am also sure that facing this situation, you need to be very, very mentally and physically strong. I would like to just, just bring to your notice that tomorrow it's an International Yoga Day. And that's why I would like to, take this opportunity to tell my students that we are going to have webinars, we are going to have certifications, but we need to maintain our health and mental health too in these, tough times which we are facing right now. So I am hopeful that we are going to join back together, you will be coming to the colleges, you know, economic situation is going to be better, and we are going to have a very, very positive future ahead. So I request all the panelists, please, I request you to concentrate on the opportunities part of the title. Challenges are always there, but how, you know, we should, you know, positively face it is the request from my side to all the panelists. I'm grateful for the panelists sitting here, and I'm sure that this webinar is going to be very helpful for my students. Thank you so much.